What is up guys? It's mixedbyyeldo. So ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin itong Vocal Line 6 Pro sa FL Studio. Kahit Pro version ang gamit ko, pwede na pa rin gamitin or mai-apply ang mga concepts na ito sa kahit sa standard version. Alright? So let's get started. So I have some vocal tracks na nakaload na dito. Let's take a quick listen.
Yeah, lately I'm not okay. Love is hard, dami kong complain. But every time I see you smiling, oh babe, ikaw yung rainbow after the rain. Go stay, let's cuddle all day. Ikaw yung saya pag ako'y nalululong back. I always feel the love at home sa'yo.
Okay, so as you can hear, hindi sabay itong dalawang vocal BGVs or doubles. Sa standards ngayon, lalo na sa modern pop music, sobrang importante na perfect or halos perfect ang pagka-align ng mga background vocals sa lead vocals. May mga iba na hindi fan ang ganitong style, pero sa modern pop music, mapapansin nyo naman na halos perfect na talaga ang alignment ng mga BGVs or doubles, lalo na sa mga mixes ni Sir Banggana. Well, he's probably the king of modern pop mixing. So let's align na tong dalawang doubles sa lead vocals, and then in order for this to work dito sa FL Studio, I'm going to select yung mga doubles na gusto ko i-align, and lalagyan ko sila ng vocal line plugin. So this is the one of the doubles. Merong guide track dito na nakalagay which dapat naka-sidechain. So ang gagawin lang natin is click the lead track and then right-click dito sa may triangle icon which is the double track and select sidechain to this track. So yung signal ng lead is masisend dun sa plugin. And I will also sidechain this one to the other doubles. Right now, meron lang tayong i-adjust na mga settings dito sa vocal line plugin. Click the settings cog and go to the processing and then right-click here sa mono aux in. Click this one. So by doing this, kinukuha na ito yung signal ng lead papunta dito sa plugin. So that is why kailangan na siya na nakasetup ng ganito. Right after natin ma-setup yung settings for the vocal line, copy lang natin to sa other double track. Let's double check yung settings if it is correct. Okay, so all goods. Okay, so one thing to remember nga pala dito sa FL Studio is wala tayong ARA functionality. So basically, ika-capture lang natin itong mga vocals ng real time. Unlike dito sa Pro Tools which is merong ARA functionality, load ko lang yung vocal line dito, capture the lead, capture the dub or doubles, and then render and repeat. And as you can see, automatic na siya mag-align itong mga doubles.
Yeah, lately I'm not okay. Love is hard, dami kong complain. But every time I see you smiling, oh babe, ikaw yung... Yeah, lately I'm not okay. Love is hard, dami kong complain. But every time I see you smiling, oh babe, ikaw yung rainbow.
Announcement time! I just dropped a new preset pack. Free Vocal Chain Preset Pack Volume 3, including a whole pack of templates inspired by the likes of Jason Joshua and Tizio. I know you're going to love them and they're going to save you so much time. So go and check them out after this video. Now, dito naman sa FL Studio, all we have to do is to select any vocal line plugin sa mga doubles and then hold Shift sa keyboard and click Capture and play the track.
Yeah, lately I'm not okay. But every time I see you smiling, oh babe, I always feel the love.
So let's take a listen after natin ma-capture with A/B testing.
Yeah, lately I'm not okay. But every time I see you smiling, oh babe. Yeah, lately I'm not okay. But every time I see you smiling, oh babe. Yeah, lately I'm not okay. But every time I see you smiling, oh babe, I always feel the love. Yeah, lately I'm not okay. Love Love is hard, dami kong complain, but every time I see you smiling, oh babe, ikaw yung rainbow after the rain. Yeah, lately I'm not okay. Love is hard, dami kong complain, but every time I see you smiling, oh babe, ikaw yung rainbow after the rain. Yeah, lately I'm not okay.
So now it sounds much aligned dun sa leads. I'm not gonna go in depth dito sa mga extra features. Basic alignment lang tayo.
After the rain, go.
Okay, so it is important to note na cast version pa lang itong pini-preview natin. Di pa siya nakaprint. So in order to do that in FL Studio, select lang natin tong mga double tracks and then click here, disk recording, tas render selected tracks to wave files. This will print yung na-process ng Vocaline plugin. And these are the tracks na na-render. Okay, so that is basically it on how to align vocals in FL Studio using Vocaline. I do hope you learned something new from this video. So if nakatulong tong video sa inyo, please do leave a like or comment down below sa mga mixing tutorial request na gusto ninyo. And subscribe ka na din if di ka pa nakasub sa channel ko. Again, thanks for watching guys. Happy mixing and bye-bye!